Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys an updated makeup routine because I've changed it a little bit. So my makeup I've been doing is pretty like natural and looks pretty good, I'd say. So I already have a clean moisturized face and I'm going in with the Morphe Hint Skin Tint in the color, what color is this? In the color of Hint of Beige. Is this one? I just got this and I've kind of been loving it. So I just get it and I'm gonna put it on my hand like that, and then just go like this, and then I'm blending it in with my Real Technique sponge. Okay, now I'm done with that. That's what this looks like. Now I'm going in with the NARS Creamy Concealer, Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium 1 Custard. And I just go like in the inners of my eyes and the outers. And I blend it on out. This also blends out really, really beautifully. It's such a, like, this makeup isn't cakey. It's just so like creamy and radiant and so blendable and nice. So I've been loving it. Okay, so now that that's all blended out, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and blush. So I just use a fluffy brush, and I've been using the Hoola bronzer. I switch off, but I've been using the Hoola bronzer, and I get a little bit of that, tap it off, and I just go right in on like the cheeks, forehead, and like kind of chin, just kind of all over, just to warm up my face a lot. This stuff's really picking up in, so be careful. Geez, I forget that I have to tap it sometimes. That looks crazy, but I swear it'll look fine in a minute. Okay, and I'm gonna grab my sponge and blend out this side that I got way too much bronzer on. And then I'm gonna go in with blush. I either use a cream blush, which would be this one. It's the Milk Makeup cream blush in the color Work. But today I'm gonna actually go in with this Milani blush. This is in Wild Rose 13. And I'm just gonna take it, it's so pigmented, so I have to be careful. And really focus it just everywhere on my cheeks, but high on my cheeks to lift that face up. And then I'm grabbing my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm putting a little bit of that right here, right there, right there, right in there, chin and forehead, just like that. And then I'm actually just gonna press it in with my sponge. Now my face makeup's basically done. Besides, I do add a little bit of highlighter, and I'm actually gonna do the tiniest bit of nose contour with my bronzer and this little brush, just tiniest bit. And then I just kind of go down the sides. I'm no pro at this, but go down the sides. Like that, and then right on top like there, and then on the bottom. And it looks crazy right now, but again, just blending it out. And I just add a little bit of this color, the second light color, onto the tip of my nose, like that. But then I blend it, obviously. And then like the bridge of my nose. Just like that. And then I grab this little brush and get a little bit and go along there. And today I kind of switch up on this. I feel like having a little bit of a glowier cheek, so I'm taking this Alouette Glow on the Go palette, and I'm taking the pink color in my blush brush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on just to give my cheeks some pink glowiness to them. So I take a ton of mirror selfies, especially after doing my makeup. And not only do I want my makeup to look flawless, I want my phone to be aesthetically pleasing. And Casetify allows that with the cutest cases literally ever. As you guys know, I love Casetify cases. I have so many. Here's this one that I have on my phone right now. Literally, how freaking cute is this phone case? So cute. And then I have all of these other ones. I have a ton of their impact and ultra impact cases, which are layered with a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech, and they're drop test approved from 6.5 feet, which is kind of crazy. I'll show you guys that because it's actually impressive. As you can see, they come in a ton of colors and designs, so you can pick your favorite or you can customize them. Like this one is a photogrid customized case. I have a couple customized cases with my name on it. These have my name. This one's a mirror. This one's just clear with my name. This one I have on actually has my name engraved on the bottom. Can you see it? Yeah. So you can have them customized to anything you like, and there's so many options to choose from. Casetify lets you have the best of both worlds, protection and personality, so you can make your phone case match you. Casetify has an antimicrobial coating, keeping your case germ-free, killing 99% of bacteria on your phone. And something so important to me is that Casetify's cases are made up of partially recycled plastic, so you can feel good about having such a cute phone case. So if you're looking for the perfect phone case to show off in your mirror selfies, I would definitely check out Casetify's cases. They're protective and so adorable. You guys should definitely go check them out. Just go to casetify.com/Messler for 20% off. I'll say it one more time. Go to casetify.com/Messler for 20% off. That's my dog's butt. Definitely go check out Casetify. I love them so much, and I know you will too. Okay, let's get back to doing my makeup, and then we can take some cute mirror selfies, okay? To get into my eyebrows, I've been using this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, and I bring my little close mirror in, and I just comb them upwards, and I really only fill in the sparse spots just because I want my eyebrows to look pretty natural. So I have really sparse underneath, so that's what I do first, is start in the middle, like on the sparse part, and I just kind of fill them in until I like them. Okay, eyebrows are done, and then I just grab my eyebrow gel. I've been using the Anastasia one forever, so I use that one, and I just put them in place how I want them. Like that. And then next step is, hold on. Okay, yeah. One second. My eyebrows are bothering me. Next up, I'm gonna add just a little bit of bronzer into my eyelid. Same Hoola bronzer. Just onto my lids and crease and just to my eyes to give a little bit of something there. Just like that. Okay, and then it is mascara time. I curl my eyelashes with some wonky cheap eyelash curler, probably from like Target or CVS or something. So I just curl my eyelashes. And then I have been using this mascara forever. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Oh, let me restart. The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's literally my favorite, so you guys have to go get it. It's so good. So that's what I use. 10 out of 10 recommend. I've been using it literally since day one on my channel, so go use it. Okay, I made a TikTok about my mascara, but I have my mascara on now. If you want to see the TikTok, go follow my TikTok. But now, last thing I do is just put some lippies on. I really want to use this one, but I'm out of it. So I'm gonna like scrape as much as I can onto my lips. Great. and then I just smear it around, and that's my lips. Now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. This is the Luminous setting spray one. Just like that. And we are done with the makeup. This is my everyday makeup. I've been loving it. It's so pretty. It looks so good. The products make it look really good. So I would definitely recommend the things I recommend from this video the most. This and the NARS concealer and my mascara. The best things ever. Oh, if you're wondering what my lip color is, it's the NYX matte lip liner and suede NYX suede matte lip liner in the color Whipped Caviar. So, yep. I really hope you guys enjoyed my updated makeup. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more of me. Follow my Instagram because I've been trying to post more. Please go follow it. I'm really trying to build it up. I'm trying to post more. I'm posting my story all the time. I post it like multiple times a day. And then I'm trying to post more pictures every day, so go follow it. I'm actually going to take pictures today, so if you want to see those, definitely go check out my Instagram. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you with all of my heart, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! My makeup is all done now. I just filmed the makeup routine. I also made a TikTok. Go follow my TikTok if you aren't already. I have like random TikToks where sometimes I'll be vacant on there and then I'll be like TikTok. So definitely go follow me there. My hair looks pretty rough right now, but I'm not gonna do it yet. But yeah. What did I just do? I don't know. This is my makeup. Okay. I'm gonna chill now because I'm still waiting on Bradley to get home because he had to do some extra stuff. So it's a longer day today for him. So I'm just gonna chillax. Okay, I'll see you guys later.